Alright, so today I want to talk to you about 5 tips to create better content on social media. Now, these are marketing strategies. Okay, step 1, be selfless. Create content that isn't about you or your brand or your business. People don't care about what you have to say or what you have to sell to them. People want what they want. They're interested in only what they want. What can they get out of it? So, the best option, or the best way of doing it, create content around your audience. Ask yourself, who are you creating content for? What are their interests? What are their hobbies? What is it that they like? You have to ask your audience, what is it that they are having struggles with? What problems do they have? Fears, and worries, and concerns. What dreams and hopes that they have. You have to be willing to educate them and even entertain them. You don't want to be a boring person on video. If you're too boring, if you're not interesting, they're not going to stay on the video. They're going to go to the next one. I am trying to be as real as I can be. I am not some huge, energetic, "Hi guys, how you doing today?" kind of person. I am the more calm, collected, just like having a basic, normal conversation with someone face to face. Only I'm staring at a bright light that is blinding me, which, again, is another reason why I wear my sunglasses, to prevent my eyes from having problems to where I have migraines. Because it is not fun to lay around the house in misery. The second step is to research ahead of time what kind of content you're going to create. This involves keyword research. What is it that people are searching right now? Ask yourself, if I was in this person's shoes and I wanted to ask a question in regards to what I have this YouTube channel about, what kind of questions would I ask? What topics would I want to know about? A great idea of what kind of content to create would be like how-to videos. Tips, tricks, hacks, steps, numerical content. What is it in there that attracts someone? What is it in there that wants people to actually find out? Click on your video. You should look at analytics. Analytics is a way of diving into the details on how your video and channel is doing. It lets you know what kind of content your audience, your subscribers are clicking on, if they like whatever topic it is that you're putting up there for them to view. If there's a certain item or certain topic, a certain content that they are that they are liking more, then that is what you should be putting up for your audience. It doesn't do any good if you're putting up videos because you just want to put up videos. If your content's not liked, if it's not being viewed, what's the point? You're just wasting time, energy, effort, and no one wants to see it, quite frankly. So, always adapt your content creation based off of your audience, what they want to see. And when in doubt, model after others. People that are in your niche, that are already creating content, already have a huge audience, that are serving people through their content. Get ideas from them. I am not saying copy. I am not saying rip them off. I am simply saying use their examples. Some of the topics that resonate with you, go ahead and share it. There's nothing wrong with sharing with somebody else what it is you just learned. If you think you can create a video that is even better, more in depth, more in detail, do you think you could do it better? Go ahead, try it out. See if your audience likes it. You never know unless you try. Step number 3, Quality comes from quantity. You see, it's not about the equipment that you choose to use for the video. It's about the content that's in the video. It's about the heart behind the person that is creating the video, that's presenting the information to the viewer, such as yourself. I have started this YouTube channel purposely with just a laptop webcam. Then I upgraded to what I'm currently using as my cell phone. Sure, I could spend thousands of dollars and I can get a real professional looking camera with all the bells and whistles and have a light show of all kinds of different things, but I just want to prove the point that you don't need that kind of equipment to make good quality content. It's about the heart behind the creator that makes the content available to the viewer, such as yourself. If you get past the, oh, I gotta have the greatest equipment, I gotta spend the greatest amount of money. If you can get past that and just get back down to the basics, what are you doing? You're creating videos. You're making content for people to view. Step 4. Educate. Educate yourself. Social media is constantly changing. There's people on social media that don't care about sales. They don't want to hear about your offer. They want to engage with conversation. So ask your audience. Ask them what it is they want to see from you. Ask them what their interest is. If you were to put up a video, what kind of video would they want to see? Hopefully, it's content that you already present on your channel. Now, you don't know unless you ask. You could think of all kinds of things, but the best answer is just ask your audience. They're the ones that are going to view it. You're just creating it for them. So ask. And why change something? Why reinvent the wheel? There are methods that are proven to work with YouTube, with video content, with social media. It's important that you stay to the fundamentals. Don't make it advanced. Don't make it harder on yourself. There's time for that. You can grow into that. But for now, just focus on the information that your audience wants to see. And the best way to do that is to ask them, what is it that you want to see? And step 5, this is my favorite one. And here's why. It's easy. See, when I first got behind the camera, I was so nervous. I'm not going to go into all the details of how long it took me to get in front of that camera. And once I was in front of that camera, I had thoughts all over the place. And if I messed up, I messed up. Someone told me once, if you mess up, it's okay. Be authentic. Be real. Be yourself. I'm not going to sit here in front of a camera and be all hyped up and talk in a way that is not me, just so I can get a view. I'm going to be me. And I want you to be you, obviously. I want you to view me, of course. So, what do I gain if I'm not me? If I'm not being who I am, then I'm fake. And that is one thing I am not. I will be real with you, because that's honesty. I have moral values, and I do not choose to be opposite of what I believe. So, I create content without you guys even knowing about it. And the reason why is because I don't upload it. I practice with my cell phone. I take videos. I take pictures all the time. I try to improve myself on camera. My voice, my interactions, my facial expressions, the words I say, when I stumble on words, to keep going. Practice will make perfect. But even better than that, perfect practice makes perfect. It's all about creating content. It's all about being who you are. It's not about just making a video just to make a video and that's it. Be who you are. And people will love you. They will know you. They will like you, and then they will trust you. If they trust you, then you can help them. The whole point of me doing all these videos, it's not for money. It's to help the person that's viewing the video. The products that I offer is for making the money. But it's up to the person that is viewing the content to be interested in the offer. I'm not here to be a salesman. I'm here to be a servant. I'm here to help you. If I can give you tips and tricks, if I can give you information that will better your life, that's all that matters to me. That's what makes the best videos for me. I enjoy helping you. So comment below. Let me know what you're struggling with. I will do my best to get back to you and try to help you through whatever that option, whatever that struggle is. I will do my best to help you. The two social media channels that I use is Facebook and Instagram. Facebook owns Instagram, but I prefer Instagram. I'm not someone that likes Facebook. I'll use Facebook if I have to, but I don't like it. I'd much rather just sit there on my phone using Instagram. Take a picture, take a video, hit a like, follow people, see what content they do. I'm more of a picture and video person, not so much a conversationalist. I prefer to talk in front of a camera than to sit there and write words on a screen. I don't like writing with my hand, with a pen and paper. I don't like typing. I never was good at English and grammar and pronunciation and stuff like that. My interest is just video content. I hope you liked this video. I hope what I said in this video was beneficial to you, that it was of value to you. If it was, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel so you can be informed and notified when I make another video. I make videos on the Bible, and I make videos on financial freedom. My goal, my purpose, is to help you to be financially and spiritually free. To do so, I have two offers available to you. You can click the link below in the description. One will take you to a quiz to be able to help me to know how to help you. Answer a couple of the questions, submit it, I'll get notified in email, and I will send you some emails. You will be subscribed to my email list, and I will inform you of updated content. I will personally communicate with you and help you through your struggles and your problems. The other option, the other offer I have, is a Bible study to introduce you to God, His Word, His expectations for you, based out of His Word. Not doctrine from a man or from a church organization, but from the Word of God. Because in the end, it's about you and your relationship with Him. I hope that you will take this offer. I really hope that you will see for yourself how free you really could be. To be financially free is just part. That's only here and now on this earth. But to be free spiritually goes beyond anything, any treasure that this world has to offer. I sure hope, and I am praying, that this video will help you to make that choice if you haven't already. I love you, and I appreciate you. Now that may be weird for you to hear because I don't know you as a person at this time. But Jesus said that I love you. And if I'm Christ-like, I should be able to say that as well. Because if I don't love you, what am I doing? I'm wasting your time. So therefore, the content that I create is with you in mind, to try to help you. In return, you could help me. If you click the link in my description, like I said already, you will be added to my email list, and that begins the process of you and I working together on our journey to freedom, on our way to freedom. I will help you the best I can. My commitment to you is to help you the best I can, how I can. I am not here to just waste your time. Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps to financial freedom.
If you like this video, please smash the like button, or if you don't like it, smash the dislike. Leave a comment below to give me some feedback. If this is your first time, please subscribe and hit the bell for notification to be informed when I make my next video available to you. As always, remember, be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.